So let's see how we can create an Etsy account for sellers. We want to first click on sign in or sign up on the Etsy website, and we want to click on continue with Google. Now this is if you've already got your Gmail account set up. If you don't, you'll need to go set up a Gmail account first. So now you want to select the account that you want to create an account with, and then it will ask you for your full name and your phone number and street address. So I've already filled that in, and now we can click on My eBay. So now we want to go to settings or account settings, and then we want to go to personal information. So it will ask you to sign in one more time. This is just for security. And now we want to verify our email address and our phone number. So we want to click verify on the email address, and it will send a code to our email address. And now we want to verify our phone number as well, so we click on verify, and it should send a code to your cell phone number. So now it's verified. And now that we have a verified email address and phone number, we can change our username to something that we want to display on our Etsy store. So you can just name this whatever you want. And once you find a name that works for you, it will ask you to sign in one more time. So guys, it wasn't signing in before because you have to wait for this email to come where it says you finally have a username, and then you can sign into your account again. So now let's just go back to our our eBay store. And now we should see selling here. And here you can click on sell an item. And as long as everything was verified, this should let you start selling something. So we click on list an item, and then we can start filling in the details of the thing that we want to sell. So before this, there's one more thing we want to do, which is to fill in our information for receiving payments. So we want to go back to account, and we want to go to payments. And then we want to click on payments here. There's also a PayPal option, but this doesn't really work anymore, I think. Yeah, it's no longer available. So we want to click on this payments option here. And then you want to add a payments option. And then just add in your credit or debit card. So I'm going to do this off camera. So once you've successfully connected your card, you can then head back and start creating your first listing. So again, we just want to go into selling and then sell an item. We want to click on list an item, and then we want to tell them about what we're selling. So this is as far as this video will take you. Now you need to have your own items and stuff to sell, which I'm sure you have. And I'll see you guys in the next video.